So, the EFF and a pack of unions just filed a lawsuit saying the government's been peeking at legal residents' social media like it's their morning crossword. Allegedly, mass surveillance, because apparently, follow now means file a dossier. Nothing says public service like doomscrolling on the taxpayer dime, right? The claim, sweeping monitoring of posts, likes, friends, and even the spicy memes, all to gauge risk. Translation: your late-night pun thread could end up in a government spreadsheet, alongside your passport number and the world's least flattering profile pic. Privacy policy? More like privacy parody. Civil liberties groups warn this chills speech, especially for immigrants and legal residents who already juggle paperwork, interviews, and that one nosy relative. Add in algorithmic vibes checking your jokes for threats, and suddenly sarcasm needs a lawyer. Freedom of expression, now with extra fine print. Let's talk data hygiene. The government's appetite is collect first, sort maybe, apologize never. False positives? Sure. Context collapse? Absolutely. Because who doesn't love being flagged for terrorism thanks to a post that said, "I bombed that exam," next to a gif of a dancing llama? The humor writes itself, but the stakes aren't cute. When people fear a post could derail a visa, they self-censor, communities go quiet, and public debate loses nuance. It's the Instagram filter effect for democracy. Everything looks smooth, and absolutely nothing is real. Very on brand. Also, unions joining in says workers are worried about surveillance seeping into job security, organizing, and advocacy. If a rally selfie equals a risk score, congratulations. Your feed is now labor relations. And the algorithm? It speaks fluent bias, with a minor in historical irony. Here's the kicker. If the state can scrape, score, and store your jokes, your grief, and your group chats, who gets to audit the auditors? What safeguards and warrants exist, and how would you feel changing your online voice knowing a bureaucratic black box might misread your next post? Like and subscribe, please.